Senate Republicans are preparing for a high-stakes vote today on two competing Obamacare proposals, with the GOP backing a plan that shifts the billions given to insurance companies back into the hands of Americans. Joining us now to break down what's at stake is Tennessee Senator Marsha Blackburn. Good morning to you, Senator. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning to you. Thank you.
We know Democrats are pushing to extend these Obamacare subsidies. Republicans say it's time to stop funneling money to these insurance companies. And we just saw the Government Accountability Office, Senator, show just how much fraud is in the system itself. So why aren't we looking at a complete overhaul of Obamacare, period?
Well, and that is what we are pushing to do. The Democrats want a 3-year extension of these Biden plus-up bonus credits. And this is what they did during COVID. And COVID is over. The Democrats set those to expire December 31st, 2025. What we have learned along the way is in these Biden COVID credits, there was massive fraud, and they took the income caps off. So people making $500,000 a year were getting COVID credits to buy Obamacare. Now, Jan, the basic credits that are the subsidies that are there for Obamacare, for people that are 400% above the poverty level, they stay in place. That is law. They do not go away. So Republicans have said, let's return to that. And by the way, instead of sending this money to the insurance companies, let's send it directly to the people that are enrolled in the program. Let them buy an insurance they can afford. For people on the bronze level, let them have a health savings account. So they have that major medical policy, and then money is put in an account with their name, and they can pay for the small things during the year. If something happens and they need that major medical policy, it is there, but otherwise they keep that health savings account money. It has their name on it, not the insurance company's name.
Do you expect to have 60 votes for that? We know that they're not going to have 60 votes, obviously, for the Democrats to extend Obamacare subsidies for 3 years. But what about, I don't know, a number of Democrats maybe flipping and voting with Republicans? Is that possible?
We would like to see some Democrats vote with us on this, because what they are doing, what the Democrats are doing, is saying, let's keep propping up big insurance. What we are saying is, let's root out this waste, fraud, and abuse. Let's stop these plus-ups. Let's give the money directly to citizens that need this. And then let's reform this program. Let's have choice and options. Let's make certain that the health savings accounts are in place, that across state line purchase of health insurance is there. So many times people get an insurance policy, pardon me, they love it, they have to give it up when they move, and they would really like to keep that policy. And let's allow that portability. Let's allow association health plans. Let's make certain that people, the consumers, the patients, have the money. Let's do that instead of putting the money in the pocket of insurance companies.
All right, and before I let you go, Senator, I want to ask you about this bipartisan Nil Hustle Act that you've introduced along with Senator Maria Cantwell, yes, creating this tax advantage savings account for college athletes and really putting real limits on predatory agents. How will this protect young athletes who are suddenly earning real money when it comes to their name, image, and likeness?
What this will do is require agents to register. Right now, you have a lot of unscrupulous agents that are out there that are taking advantage of these children. And then the student athletes that are working hard, they earn money off their NIL, and you've got agents or people that want it. This requires financial education. It puts in place a savings account for these students, so that money will vest to them when they finish college. And this is a way to protect students. It is a way to give them an opportunity to save those earnings off of their name, image, likeness.
All right. Senator Marsha Blackburn from the great state of Tennessee will be watching it all unfold today there in the Senate. Thank you so much for joining us. I don't see you before the end of the year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
You also.